Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So based on your suggestions from the Trello board, I have implemented PDF file support as this was one of the most voted feature, and starting from today we'll be able to use this extension, Aimogen extension, PDF file storage and parsing together with the Aimogen plugin. Both links will be in this video's description to allow OmniBlocks to read PDF files and also to create PDF files from the AI content that it generates. So let me give you this and let me show you how to work with this. And in the latest plugin update, you will be able to use OmniBlocks, and you can use, for example, you can save your own ebook based on the AI content that was generated. So let me show you this in a bit. Let's go and switch, for example, to let's create some posts, but instead of posts I will be creating a PDF file. So for this, let's go to SEO optimize blog post and let's load this template. And I will be going into the new templates also in an upcoming video where I will show you also the ebook with 10 chapters PDF template, but will be in the next video as I need to talk a bit more about this new template. So for now, let's go and load up this little template here which creates a blog post, and replace the last OmniBlock from here which saves the post to WordPress. So let's delete this and instead let's use the save to file OmniBlock. So click add OmniBlock and it was added to our OmniBlock queue. And here we will be able to set a template for our PDF file. So if you want to set a PDF file, in the file type, instead of text, select PDF. You can also select the location of the file. You can use an S3 extension for using also S3 cloud storage, but I will not cover this in this video. I will cover the PDF part. Okay, so we can select here in the file content template what actually we want to store in the PDF file. And for example, we have this nice queue here. We will be using it to generate. So let's write some stuff like we will have H1. This is a heading. This is optional. I write only this to allow you guys to know that the file content template will allow also HTML content to be used. So AI text 1 will be the ID 1 OmniBlock which creates the blog post title. So for blog post title we write it using a big heading, and afterwards we add some new lines, just a few, and then we will go and add section 1, section 2, section 3, 4, 5 and let's actually shorten this for the sake of this video. Let's create only 3 sections. So the OmniBlock ID 3, 4 and 5 will be necessary to be used for our ebook. So for this we use section 3, section 4 and AI section 5. So we shorten this a bit, and the content of our PDF file will be this: the title, some new lines, and the 3 sections of the blog post, which actually will be in an OmniBlock. All we have to do now is set a keyword, and the keyword is dog training for pros. Okay, so yeah, just some random keyword, and I will be starting up this OmniBlock, and it is already processing. If you check here the real-time logs of the plugin, you will see that it creates currently the outline, and this is the prompt that it is sending to the AI. And yeah, we will have to wait a couple of minutes for this to finish processing. Until then, let me show you where actually you will find the... Oh, so it is ready. Okay, so you will find actually the generated PDF file in the OmniBlock Files tab here. So click to switch to the OmniBlock Files tab and click Sync OmniBlock Files. And now you will see the new PDF file that we generated, and click View. And here it is, the PDF file that was generated with the title, with some spaces, and with the first part of the article. And it is in this PDF format, as you can see it. You can add more spaces if you want. You can style it more, as keep in mind it will support full HTML formatting, so you can use in the plugin settings here in OmniBlock settings. You will be able to, in the save to file OmniBlock, which creates the PDF file, here you will be able to use your own formatting as you wish. Also tell the AI to format your content as you wish. Images are supported. If you want to add images to the PDF file, it will also be supported. Okay, so this is basically the OmniBlock which creates the PDF files. Now let me show you an OmniBlock which will be able to load from the PDF file that we created. So for this, let's scrap this everything. Let's scrap the stuff that we created, and let's add a new OmniBlock, and this time we will use the load file content OmniBlock. So let's add this, set it here to the beginning of our queue, right to the top, and let's select the file that we created actually previously. So this will automatically load up all files that you have created in the OmniBlock Files tab. So if you have listed here OmniBlock files, then this will be available also here. And this file, what it does actually, it loads up all the content from the PDF file that you select here, and this content will be able to be used in afterwards in OmniBlock. So in this case, simply let's create a new PDF file from the old PDF files content, and let's add the shortcode. So file AG, this is the ID of this OmniBlock. So file AG will be the content. Okay, so like this. It's okay, and we create another PDF file from this, but keep in mind you can add here some AI text OmniBlocks to process the text which you read from the PDF file in many ways, and you can add as many OmniBlocks here as you wish. I want to keep this short and fast. Okay, so let's run this rule, and it actually will just copy the text from our previous OmniBlock. And keep in mind that because this is basically for AI, so this feature is basically for AI processing, it will not copy also the styling of the text. So this the idea behind the OmniBlock which reads the PDF files is that it should send the content also to the AI writer, which it reads from the PDF files. And because of this, you will see that the styling and headings and images will not be here, only the text which is read from the PDF file. So using this feature, you can use the text from PDF files, send it to the AI writers, and use it as additional context, or yeah, basically you can train your AI using this additional text from PDF files. And you will find it also, our original PDF file will be here, which was created by our original OmniBlock. So keep in mind you will need the AI-matic extension PDF file storage and parsing, which is found at this video's description, and also Aimotic is found there. You will be able to check it. So this is all for today. PDF support is added to Aimotic OmniBlocks. Go ahead, give it a try. If you have more ideas, suggestions, don't forget to check the board for Aimotic suggestions. I have this here. I need to remove these 2 blocks because these 2 are ready and implemented. Okay, so like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching until then. This is all for today. I hope you will enjoy this update. Bye bye.